Hey guys, this is Austin with navrepair.com, and today we'll be going over a couple problems we can repair for the Cadillac Escalade Delphi SuperNav entertainment system found in the 2011 to 2014 Cadillac Escalade and Escalade ESV and Escalade EXT vehicles. One of the main problems or repairs that we see frequently with this navigation system has to do with the touchscreen. A lot of times the touchscreen will come in broken, shattered, have scratches, or be chipped. We use genuine OEM replacement touchscreens, so we're able to repair the touchscreen and restore it to its factory working condition. Also, this unit is equipped with one single disc CD/DVD mechanism that rarely goes bad, but when it does, you will notice that it won't read a disc, or sometimes a disc that's inserted may get stuck, or the mechanism itself will break and you won't be able to insert or eject a disc. If you have any questions or concerns regarding this premium Escalade SuperNav entertainment system, you can give us a call at 1-855-628-7372 or shoot us an email to support@navrepair.com. Also visit our website www.navrepair.com for more information on the repair and programming services we do offer. If you need help removing this navigation system from your vehicle's dash, please click the link above and you will be redirected to some removal and installation videos. Thank you.